Hi guys! And welcome to Garden of Dolls! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a doll-sized TV and remote control. And by the way, today's video is a collab with Yoummy Dolls Show. And now, let's begin! First of all, you need to print two images. One will be the TV screen, and the other one will be a remote control. Now I'm going to start with the TV. To make it, you need black foam sheet, the image you printed, scissors, a glue stick, and a pencil. To glue everything, I'm just going to be using a glue stick, but if you want, you can use a hot glue gun as well. The first step is to cut the printed image. Next, draw two rectangles that are the same size as the printed image on the black foam sheet. After, cut them. And now, using a glue stick, I'm going to glue them together like this. Next, you need to cut 4 strips out of the black foam sheet. 2 of them will be as long as the length of the printed image, and 2 of them will be as long as the width of the printed image. And now glue them on the TV screen. Now you need to draw 3 small rectangles on the black foam sheet. Mine are 2 by 2.5 centimeters long. And after, you need to cut them. Once you cut them, you need to glue them together. Up next, you have to glue it on the back of the TV screen, like this. After, draw 2 shapes like this one and cut them. Now you can glue them together. After that, you need to glue it here. And this is how the TV will look at the end. Now I'm going to show you how to make the doll-sized remote control, which is super easy to make. You need the printed image, black foam sheet, scissors, and also a glue stick. Start by cutting out the remote control. Next, glue it on the black foam sheet. And cut it. And this is how it turned out. Here are the TV and the remote control together. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more videos, comment down below something nice, and also let me know what other DIYs you would like to see on my channel. Bye guys, I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day!